My name is Jeremi Plazas. I live at 2030 South Ford Drive in Lafayette. I'm also speaking on behalf of East Boulder County United and the Boulder County Protectors in favor of voting on and passing the Climate Bill of Rights and Protections. I have a 1-year-old son who was born here, and we hope will grow up here in beautiful, healthy Boulder County. The prospect of fracking happening in our community unfortunately threatens that beauty and health that we take for granted. For those who have not researched fracking and its consequences, there is no such thing as clean fracking. There is no properly regulated fracking. There is no safe fracking. Fracking is by definition a dangerous process. No matter how much thought is put into the preparation of a well pad, no one can control the shale fractures. No one can be sure it won't reach the bedrock and start earthquakes. No one can be sure it won't leak gas into people's water supplies. And methane leaks into the air are par for the course. We are well aware that the law dictates matters of oil and gas be decided by the states. What people have to understand is that these laws were essentially written by the industry. Oil and gas lobbyists have spent decades helping to carefully remove all authority from local communities because they know residents would never let fracking happen. The fact that the state preempts communities, stripping them away of any authority, or funnels concerned citizens into state bureaucracy, requiring them to prove the harm that is so obviously done to them, while on the flip side, helping the industry legalize that same harm, shows incredible neglect to our citizens. We need to reclaim our autonomy, especially with matters of oil and gas. The Climate Bill of Rights does just that. It states we have the right and obligation to protect our climate, our environment, our families, and our communities. With that, we elevate our standing and reclaim our right to self-governance. We assert that the health of our communities is more important than corporate bottom lines. We pledge to care for our earth and our climate, which sustains all life. There is no exception. And in case it wasn't clear, there is also no second climate for when this one runs out. People are waking up and realizing that they cannot sit back and watch anymore. For my wife and I, there is no choice. There is no compromising. If we want our family and the families of everyone in the farm range to grow up healthy, fracking cannot happen, and we will fight. If the state, county, or city governments refuse to act to protect our climate, you can be sure that county residents, led by organizations like East Boulder County United, will perform acts of direct action and civil disobedience to protect it instead. So the fight is coming. There is no really escaping this. The state, as you know, the state attorney general has made it clear that she won't stand for the moratorium. The Supreme Court has struck down previous bans. What's left is declaring our rights as human beings of this land and standing strong when the oil and gas machine tries to take those rights away. You have a clear choice as county commissioners. You can pretend to work on regulating the destruction, which is tantamount to letting it happen, or you can take a stand with us, pass this Climate Bill of Rights, protect direct action, shrug off the lawsuits. Boulder County can handle it. Lawsuits can be compared to the safety and health of your constituents, and people will remember when you stand with them. Will you poison us or will you protect us?
Thank you.